Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel everybody. Today we're going to be actually making a push button. So, first thing you're going to need is paper, which you're gonna find. I'm gonna grab a piece of paper quick. So, first thing you're going to need is paper, okay? Then you're going to need a pen, a paw stamper, because we're going to decorate it, and some tape. And also some scissors, which you will do that when you're cutting tape, and you can do that at the end. So, first thing you're going to do is, gonna fold it to the, first thing you need, you have to rip these little things off, so you're going to bend them as far as you can, or as much as you can, and, if you're doing this along with us in the video, you might want to kind of pause it, because I do attempt to go fast, because I do want to get this video over with. For like a lot of you, I know you guys don't really like long videos, but it's kind of this video you guys might like as a long video, because you're making stuff, okay? It doesn't really have to be perfect, but it should look like that and that. And then now you're gonna fold it the hot dog. Here, my head's probably cut off. Next, you're gonna fold it the hot dog way, and then make sure the lines are even. If they're not, you can go back and re-fold them, like, oh jeez, like that. They should look even now. They don't have to be really even, but I like my things even, so, or even, sorry. Next you're gonna fold it this kind of the hamburger, whatever you want to call it, way. Hamburger, hot dog, I don't really know. But next you're going to fold it this way, so it's kind of like a pattern. It's kind of like a hot dog every single time. You know what I mean? Okay, and then the lines are straight. Then you're going to fold it another time, where it should look like that, okay? Next, you're going to need to get your pen, and you're going to want to write push on there with a little button, so when they play, you press push, and it should look like that. Next, you're going to open it to this area right here. Then you're going to write, you're either going to write, draw a picture of a boy or a girl, but because you need to have a boy and a girl in here, so you can either draw a picture of them or write. I like to write because I just like writing. That's my own opinion. That's what it should look like when you're done. Next, you're going to go on this page and you can write whatever you want. You can write hangout, hug, high five, day, love, marry, hangout, bike ride, whatever. I don't care. I'm going to write hug, high five. And when you're writing a high five, you have to do your line. And then next I'm going to write love and hang out. Okay, so that's what it should look like once you are finished. Woo! Okay, next, I'm just being really dramatic right now. Next I'm going to open it to when it looks like this, kind of like a book. Okay. I'm going to either do 1 through 10. I'm going to do 1 through 10. So I'm just going to write 10. Like that. That's what you do if you're doing 1 through 10. Because 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then 10. See? You have to have as many as dots. Okay, next. shouldn't be upside down, but if it is, mine landed like this. You just count it up like this. No biggie. You're gonna write girl, boy on it, or girl, boy, same thing around. Not really a big difference. Then you're gonna write 1 through 10. This time it's really tricky because you cannot write 1 through 10, otherwise it won't work that really good. So you're gonna write 1. You have to actually write the number. Hang on, let me show you when it's done real quick. Hang on, I have 5 more. No, I have 4. Okay, it's probably gonna be really annoying for you guys, so I'll just shut up. And so this is what it should look like on the girl. Numbers. Now I'm gonna do it on the boy. I'm gonna do the numbers. 1 skip you 99, 100. Now that song I kind of like, but not really. Those of you guys, well, I like that song. Those of you guys that use it, comment down below. And those of you that have a YouTube channel that follow me and are friends with me, comment down below too. Alright, here it is. Basically the whole point is just comment down below with anything. This is what it looks like. Now, just need to write some names. And if you're wondering what I'm copying off of, I am copying off a sheet of paper that I had to do this video over again because it said space full. So I had to kind of like redo it. So hopefully this one won't take as long as I'm trying to hurry up. And if you're doing like 2 of the same names like I'm doing, I will show you. They have the same last initials, but they're spelt a little bit differently. I'm actually doing a few of the same names, and I'm not putting the last initials on all of them because you don't need to. Okay, so I'll just show you the girls for now. So these 2 I'm doing, they're the same names. They're spelled differently. So this one I didn't put the last initial because they had the same last initials but not the same last names. So on this one it's just spelled L-I-L-L-Y. I put B for Bongarts. And then I just kind of, and then this one, see I have 2 of the same ones again. They are their same names, but they don't have the same last initials, so I just put S there. And now for boys, there really isn't much of the same names for boys, but I guess there is. You can put your parents on here. I do it on this one. I am. You don't really want to write the name. You can just write dad because personally, in my opinion, I don't like saying my name or anyone else's name on the YouTube thing. Sorry, I just couldn't think of it. I'm trying to think and write at the same time, so it's kind of really hard. So yeah, and I kind of write in cursive a little bit, so trying to write in print, but it's not turning out so good. So yeah, this is what it should look like once you are finished. Next, on to the decorating. Next on to the decorating. I'm not going to do the duct tape right now because I unfortunately don't have any scissors around me right now. So, I'm going to take this stamp and I'm just going to go like this. Here, I'll show you. I'm going to go like, I'll show you once I'm done. Well, it doesn't really show up good on this. There we go. And I'm leaving room for the tape because I'll kind of like give you a hint of where. I really wish I had scissors in it. I don't because my mom does take care. but this is what the stamps doesn't really show up good, but this is what it looks like. And the tape I'm going to put just around here, so you guys can do all the decorating you want when you have your own time. But I have to try and I don't know if I'll do it or not. Dang it, I don't have a way to. Okay, anyway, so I hope all of you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a like. Even if you didn't like this video, please give it a like, because we just like it that way. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and also if I love you guys so much. Thank you everybody for sending us fan mail. If you haven't already, this is probably, I haven't got my videos up yet, so I don't really have a channel, but if you guys can, please send us fan mail. We would love to see it because we love fan mail and we love reading it. I might do some fan mail Fridays, but I might not because I don't really have a tablet stand anymore. I lost it, and that's really a bummer. So yeah, I'll show you the one that I messed up on. This is the one that I was like kind of copying off of because I kind of messed up on it, but I didn't really mess up on it. I just need to finish it and decorate it, and I'll probably like show you like a finishing video. And then the next video, I might do ghost videos or stuff, but I might not because I don't really like ghosts that much because ghosts kind of give me nightmares and everything like that. So, yeah. Alright. Bye, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you all enjoyed this